If your home has just come off the market and hasn't sold, don't be discouraged. The reason it didn't sell may have nothing to do with your home or the market. In reality, your home may have been one of the more desirable properties for sale. I'm Frank Polsinello with the Polsinello Team at RE/MAX. If the MLS or exclusive listing on your home has expired, before you put it back on the market, be sure you're hiring the right team. Where should you begin? First, start by making a commitment to hiring a team with a proven track record and stellar reviews from real clients doing what it takes to get your home sold while providing you with world-class service. Your home is a major financial investment, and your relationship with your realtor should be where your needs and wishes are heard, and you receive detailed and dependable feedback on the progress of your sale at all times. From us, you'll get all the facts, backed by real data, not a gut feel, so you know exactly where your home should be positioned in today's market. We will also handle everything that is needed to sell your home, not just for a high price, but for its maximum value. From staging your home to professional architectural photography, videography, pre-inspection, home security, and database target marketing to making sure that you're protected in any and all documentation you sign, we make sure that you get the most amount for your home with the least amount of inconvenience to you. And remember, there is a big difference between what realtors do and don't do. Here's a great tip. If you're interviewing agents, a fantastic question to ask them is this: would you consider yourself a world-class negotiator? If they say no, then you might want to consider ending the interview right then. Financially, there's just too much on the line. If they say yes, then ask them to tell you why. Within 20 seconds, you'll know if they're qualified to negotiate the sale of your home. If you'd like to discuss how to enjoy the best results on the upcoming sale of your home, I invite you to connect with me, Frank Polsinello, at 905-830-9111, or find me at polsinello.ca. Thanks for listening.